In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward email with attachments in Yahoo Mail. First, let's begin by opening Yahoo Mail. You will see the familiar interface of your inbox. It typically displays all your received emails in a list format. Keep an eye out for the email you want to forward. This step is crucial because accessing the correct platform ensures you can manage your emails efficiently. You may notice various folders on the left, such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. This organization helps you navigate your emails easily. Once you have Yahoo Mail open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now open the email with the attachment that you wish to forward. Click on the email subject line to view its contents. You will see the email body along with any attachments displayed at the bottom or top of the email. This is important because identifying the right email ensures that you are forwarding the correct information. The attachment is typically a file that someone has shared with you, such as a document or a photo. Make sure to examine the email and the attachment before proceeding. This will help you to confirm you are sending the right content. Next, click the forward button, usually located at the top of the email. This action will prepare the email for forwarding. When you click this button, a new message window will pop up. You will notice that the original email content is already included in this forward. This makes it easier for the new recipient to understand the context of the email. It's a straightforward action, but it's vital to ensure that your message is correctly set up for forwarding. If prompted, select Include Original Attachments. This option is essential because it ensures that the files attached to the original email are sent to the new recipient. By including these attachments, you save time by not needing to resend them separately. It also helps maintain the context of the information being shared. Be sure to check this option if it appears, as it confirms that all relevant files are on their way to the new recipient. Now, enter the recipient's email address in the designated field. This is where you type in the email address of the person you want to send the email to. Double-check for any typos to ensure that your email reaches the intended person. This step is crucial because sending an email to the wrong address can lead to miscommunication. Taking a moment to verify the recipient's address can save you a lot of time and confusion later. After that, you can add a message if you wish. This step is optional, but it can be helpful to provide context or additional information to the recipient. A brief note can clarify why you are forwarding the email or highlight specific points about the attachment. This personal touch enhances communication and ensures that the recipient understands the significance of the email they are receiving. Finally, click Send. This action will deliver your email along with any attachments to the specified recipient. Once you click Send, you should see a confirmation that your email has been sent successfully. This final step is reassuring as it confirms that your message has reached the intended destination. The original attachment is normally included when you forward the email. Following these steps will help you effectively share content with attachments in Yahoo Mail. You can now forward emails with confidence, knowing that you are sharing the right information.